you get a ticket?
Yeah. He was gonna get us for street racing.
The tire's flat?
He blew a flat.
Oh, your tire blew. What the heck? By the way, let's just quickly appreciate the amazing lineup that Baylor has. I mean, look at this. You got the two Aprilia RS 660s. I believe this is going to be a staff member, if I had to guess. But it's a very, very nice Harley. Good condition. I don't know much about like cruisers and adventure bikes, but you can appreciate a good looking bike, you know. Got a Triumph. So it's a Trident. I don't know the CCs on those. Really nice Harley. An Indian Scout. Those are nice. And then another Harley. Yeah, sick. There's usually honestly more sport bikes. I've got a few of my buddies that take them to class. So, like my buddy has an R6, he's usually parking next to me. My buddy used to have a Fireblade, but he got rid of it. But it's fine. Alright, let's get moving. For the next few days coming up, it's gonna get really, really cold. Like to the point where it's probably gonna snow. Which is crazy because we live in Texas. So that's it's very uncommon to say the least. Not used to it at all. But that also means no riding the bike. However, that poses an issue because I take it to class. So if we still have classes on Friday, it is currently Thursday. So if we have classes tomorrow or Monday, there's a good chance that I'll be riding in like 20-degree weather and icy roads. And that's the part really that scares me the most. This always feels so weird riding through this like, I don't even know what that is. This event, like, it doesn't smell good either. I feel like it just like coats my bike in like a disgusting mist. I'm gonna actually quickly pull over and not go through that light. Zip my jacket up. There's another bike to the right. Well, this is an interesting situation. Because now I have to back up. Oh, whatever, I'll just wait until she goes. I'm gonna put myself in a weird situation there. It's a Harley, I believe. But anyway, yeah, I might not be able to ride this weekend, which is not the best, because weekends are the best for riding, usually. Alright, let's quickly talk about the premise of this video. I wanted to give this preface to the video that you're about to watch, because what I'm about to post is not what I'd ever really like to post. But basically, this is a video back from November of last year. It's now end of January, so it's been a long time. It's been a few months. And the real reason why I guess it's taking so long to upload it, it's not because of really what's in the video, although that is a big issue with it. It's literally just because I didn't have really time to. But now, you know, I remembered that I had the footage and I remembered the night, and I was like, you know what, something that I normally wouldn't post because of what happened that night, I wanted to make it into like kind of a more educational post it and be like, this is what happened, you guys shouldn't do this, and learn from it. So for context, like I said, this was back in November, and we had went on a group ride. And this is back when I was doing group rides a lot more, still just like with my friends. Like I would never group ride with random people, I never have. But this was a group ride with I knew everyone. And in our little lineup, our fleet, we had myself, and I was actually not on my bike. I was on my buddy's R6, Yamaha R6. I had his R6 in my possession for about 2 weeks. Sorry guys, they had a... See, that's weird. They have a crosswalk right when I have a green to turn right, and I have no sign that says I have to yield, but whatever, I need to pay attention to that more. And the one, like the guy, like my friend that I was on his R6, he was in a Corvette. And then my friend Noah, he was on my RS 660, and the reason why I was on his R6 and Noah was on my bike was because that his bike didn't work. Noah's bike, he had a Fireblade at the time, and I don't remember what it was. Anyway, his bike didn't work, and I just got back to school with my bike and my buddy's R6 because I took his bike up. So at my house, I had an R6 and an R660, and then my buddy had a bike that didn't work, but we both love to ride. So I'm like, hey, it might work out where I can ride my friend's R6 and you can ride my bike. So that's what happened. I was on an R6, which, by the way, I loved riding on that R6. I don't really get an opportunity to ride other bikes a lot. I really don't, like, at all. So it was really nice. I enjoyed the R6 a lot. So we had me on the R6, Noah on the R660, my friend in his Corvette, and then we had another friend on, what did he have? He had a ZX-10R. And this bike he had just bought like 2 weeks ago, and he was having a lot of issues with the cops because of the exhaust that was on it when he bought it. He literally bought it with exhaust. He didn't like change anything, but it was it is still to this day the most loud exhaust I've ever heard in person, ever. Like, so we go on a ride and we're like, we leave from here and we're on our way to Buc-ee's, which is like 45 minutes away, I think. Or maybe less than that. I think it might be less than 45 minutes away. But it's highway riding. It takes you about 3 minutes to get to the highway. You're on the highway for the 45 minutes. You exit and it's right there. Which, I don't know if I've talked about this, but I don't enjoy highway riding. I think there's a time and place for highway riding, but it's not the style that I typically enjoy. Like, I've done it before. It's fun, don't get me wrong. I understand the appeal, but it's just not my favorite thing to do. You know what happens when you get 3 bikes and a Corvette together, you're gonna speed. It's just naturally, it's gonna happen. We can't contain ourselves, it's gonna happen. And I knew it was gonna happen, but here, we'll pull over really quick. I think there's always a time and place to speed, and you kind of have to know, have to know when you can speed. You know, we own sport bikes for a reason. They go fast and we enjoy that, but like, everyone's gonna speed on them. You just have to be smart about it. Time and place. Anyways, what I'm about to show you, a lot of very unfortunate events do happen this night. It is still to this day my least favorite, worst night of riding in my life. I'm going to clarify right now, no one got hurt, thankfully. However, there were a lot of things that, honestly, someone very well probably could have gotten hurt pretty easily. The video I'm about to show you is not the rider that I am, the rider that I was back then. I like to think that I'm a lot better now, and I wouldn't make those decisions that I did last time. Like I said, I'm posting this for educational purposes to show you, don't do this. There ends up having some interactions with police officers and us going very fast, and then a tire blew out. A lot of bad things happened that night, and I've actually not rode with any of them since, except one of them. But it's not really their fault. Like I said, we're all young, dumb. You kind of just get together on sport bikes. Dumb stuff happens. So take this as a lesson. Don't speed. Speeding's bad. Like I said, time and place. But have fun on your machines, but understand what they can do. At the end of the day, you're the one pulling that throttle. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys can learn from what you're about to see. I'm not showing this to promote this at all. Hope everyone rides safe and learns from what I can show you guys. And yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Hold on, give me like 12 seconds. Sorry guys, I'm holding everyone up. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. All right. All right, we're good. Go ahead. Yeah. Dude, he's so loud. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I'm hot already. I'm sweating. No, you're chilling. I love the grunt of the Aprilia. Like, it's so deep. I love it. That's not a cop, right? Yeah. I wasn't speeding when I passed him, so. Bro. Yeah, I pulled over to see if it was good. He got pulled over by that cop. He got pulled over by that cop. Yes. Bro, I'm a dick. That's 100% our fault. He got pulled over. I bet it was those 2 cops that you saw that we flew past. Exactly. Well, think about it. If 2 cops see 3 bikes and a car, they're gonna pull over the car. Bro, I don't know what to do. That's why you don't speed, guys. Oh, wait, I see you. Did you get a ticket?
I covered y'all's asses.
Did you get a ticket?
Yeah.
Let me see. How much? Do you know how much it is?
No.
Oh, I can't see it.
He was gonna get us for street racing.
Bro.
Not even with us. I just told him I didn't know y'all.
Yeah.
But like, he kept being a bitch about it. He was like, oh, like you definitely know them, and like you definitely about to race. Like I'm gonna get you for street racing. I was like, bro, I don't know you. Yeah, he was nice, but he just tried to be like, you know.
No, my fucking bike wouldn't turn on, bro.
Really?
Yeah, I was gonna follow him and then I was fucking stuck.
They said they were trailing us.
No way.
Yeah.
That's
He was, like,
insane.
following us, and then he was like, y'all are about a street race.
No.
All right. Well, are we still going to Buc-ee's but not speeding?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can just cruise.
Yeah, just cruise.
I
Yeah.
had a little fun. We can cruise.
Yeah, we had our fun. Sorry about that, dude. That's.
One cop on the side, like way at the
Yeah,
beginning.
but
I need gas anyway, so let's roll Buc-ee's.
All right, bet. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know, dude. It's insane.
Flat!
The tire's flat?
It blew a flat.
Oh, your tire blew. Saw it.
I was like looking at it, I was like, wait, what the fuck is going on?
He's been saying, he's like, dude, something feels wrong.
No, because I saw it, and then it looked flat as shit, and I was like, I asked him, I was like, am I tripping?